Purni with us on the stage now. She's the CEO of Mojato.
Hi,
And
Payal.
Tara is also here. We're
Hi.
just waiting for Atul. And I have few announcements and few thank yous to say. But special thanks to our audience and to our exhibitors who were here. Who they are the people who actually made this platform. They are the people who made this dream come true. And I also know that there were glitches. We tried to sort it out. Most of them were sorted, but we all can't be perfect. We all know that. So but we are trying to
Atul's there. Hi, Atul.
closely go to the perfect so we can see Atul also. Atul is here. There are few announcements which I should make. So these are the one who are the winners of few of the contests. So winner of quiz contest is Meenakshi Payal? No. Winner of quiz contest is Priya Anand Pariyani. She answered all the questions correctly. Then the winner of the Finding the Master Artist in Crossword is Radhika Dalmia. Congratulations, Radhika. Congratulations, Priya. Well, Radhika found 9, but there were 14, so she was the one who got to the 19. Rest maybe 7, 6. I think I remember Purnima got 6 of them.
6.
So both
Right.
the winners will get vouchers worth rupees 500 from our gift sponsors VO Organics, who are into the organic gourmet food. And we have 4 contests, which is on illustration, doodle, photography, and 100-word contest. Details of all of these are on our social media post. The last date is extended now. It's on Friday, 4th September, and winners will be announced on 6th. So keep an eye on our social media. Keep applying. Keep making doodle art. Keep writing nice poetry, poems. We are looking forward to your entries. But now, last but not least, I think Purnima, who is better than to say thank you to all our supporters, and so I'll give the stage to you to say thanks to all the people who have made this dream come true. So over to you, Purnima. Purnima, your mic is mute, so unmute yourself
Sorry.
and you
Yes,
have to start
yes.
again.
Yes, thanks, Payal. Yes, definitely we couldn't have made any of these things possible without our supporters. We had quite a few. Seher, who was a cultural partner. We had gifting partners. Uh, we had the print studio. We had the Arts Illustrated. And more than that, of course, we had 10 times. We had Asian Art Heritage as our community partner. We had the Museo Camera supporting partner. So we had all of their support, and without them, the event section and this wouldn't have gone smoothly. And I must say, Payal, a huge thanks to Payal for putting this lineup together and being
Thank you.
backstage, helping through and through, and seeing that everything was smooth. So it had been possible. All of those exhibitors who believed in Mojato, who believed in the platform, believed in the event, and have lent their support. And it has been a roller coaster 3 days.
Right.
Here, there,
Absolutely.
everywhere. And yes, we've had a lot of fun. There have been negatives and positives. And yes, we believe in learning from whatever negatives we have, and definitely we work on it and try to, better it. When it's always related to tech, I'm sure there are issues that pour out. So those things can be sorted out, and we hope we come up with a seamless event again. So yes, thank you everyone. And also I must thank the back end, the quiet support that we've received from both the teams, Mojato and 10 times, Gunjan, Ankit, Abhinav, Nimay, all of them, and the 10 times team. We had Ashita. I think Ashita's name was just flying around through and through with the
The
exhibitors.
most popular girl in the
And
town
Yash,
right now.
and yes, the most popular girl, right. So yes, they've all been on their toes and helping out wherever possible. So yes, everybody, it's a huge effort from everyone. So yes, thank you very much, and we hope to see more of this coming. Thank you, Payal. Over to you.
You rightly said, Purnima, negative and positives only when they meet the current, is
Right.
made. So that's
That's right.
how we should see the things, because that's how something productive will come out. And Atul, thank you so much. Your team was amazing. Yash, Ashita, everyone. I mean, we really, really must have hounded them also, because they were also doing something on the American shift, then there was Indian shift, but they have been very, very supportive. And I'll just, give the stage to you to say a few words and tell us more about the platform.
Firstly, thank you so much. Cheers to Mozato and all the artists who are listening to me. We are truly vocal for local. One good thing is this is a made in India platform and I'm very proud of it. And I know there were technical glitches. I went and met a lot of artists and I've been reading every single, okay, this is not working, that is not working. Again, it's a large format event. We had over 2,000 people in the last 3 days. So if you take away the artists, that's, again, as an artist myself, we always want more and we should always want more. And that's a good thing. But I'm really hoping that, as an experience, it was a good step. We try to make the platform as simple as possible, but there's a lot of learning and the platform keeps getting better and better. And with your support, and I'm so happy that we were able to support this initiative, we were able to take this on, and we felt that we can make it work. But yes, a lot of feedback, so I'm very happy that we will be able to work on that. I must say thank you to Payal and your entire team, who's been going back and forth. I mean, you know, everyone panics. We've been doing events for last 10 years, right? We understand physical or non-physical event is all about panicking, right? And especially not being an event organizer, you guys held your nerve very well, let me tell you, and let me clap on that. Trust me, there are event organizers who've been doing it for 5, 6, 10 years. Even they panic. They outsource their entire management. But I think we did a good job as a team to bring everyone together to address challenges. And very short time. I mean, we started what? We finalized this less than a month back. To have pulled it off, I think that was great. But I think all the credit or all of this thing I would like to give to the artist who showed faith and who were like, okay, no, this will work. I know there was a lot more we can always do, and I'm sure we will. This was a start. Till the time you see value, I think we will obviously do more. But overall, it was a great experience. Thank you for having the faith and taking this step. Over to you, Bharat.
So we have few comments which are pouring in. There is Jayanti who is saying, thank you team for this wonderful platform. Nandita Richi saying it was a good show, good to be part of the show. Then there is Chetan who is saying it was great effort from Mojato team. Thank you so much, Chetan. And there is thank you everyone. It was a great platform. Looking forward to this again. There is Sunandini as Balan. And there are lots of other comments which are pouring in. Tara, you have visited many booths. So how was your experience?
Our internet is a little,
Yeah,
yeah.
exactly. Tara, can you hear me? Okay, maybe when she hears us, I'll try to get her back. But I also want to say, this whole lineup, and there was so much to learn. Even if there was no, commercial sale for few people who it didn't happen. But imagine that, meeting hundred artists and together being on the lounge, talking to them, learning from each other. You can't do that now. It's a pandemic which you can't meet everyone, but this platform made that possible. So we met each other. We
No,
were
no, no.
sitting in lounge as if we are
It's
drinking
so
coffee.
exciting, honestly.
So
We need to
that's
take, we need to have that 1 hour where all the artists are told you can leave your booth now and please go to the lounge. We've been telling all the artists don't leave your booth, don't leave your booth. We must tell them please go to the lounge and
So
interact with
it's a
other
new
artists.
yeah, Tara.
sense. And, as we talked about,
Tara, can you repeat what you said?
There's a lag, I guess.
Yeah, there's a big. Tara, can you hear us? Maybe what I can do is, I can call Tara, and maybe we can hear from what she wants to say. At least the voice can be heard, and we all know that it's Tara who is talking.
Sure. Until then, I mean, I'm sure any artist who's listening to us, I'm not sure if we're bringing some people on stage, it might be a good thing to ask them as well.
Okay.
So while we wait on Tara, I mean, if anyone has any questions, please feel to write in the discussion. We could probably pick up a few while we wait.
So there are a lot of people. Thanks a lot, Mujato. This is Nandini Verma, the artist. Thank you, Tejas. Thank you, everyone. This is Nivedita, Ashita, the lady who's
I
popular.
think Tara's internet is
She's
not
saying
very good.
congratulations, Team Mujato, and on our fair, splendid show. It was awesome, considering it was being held for the first time. Yes, totally. I mean, and all this happened in a very short time. You can't even believe, to pull it. But next time you'll have more time so that, we can, spread the word more. There are lots of people. Tara is back. Tara, can you hear us? Otherwise, I have a plan. I can take you on phone, then you can, you can give your message on my speaker phone and people can hear. Atul, how to get these people who are artists, how to get them on the screen? How is the possibility?
Okay. So while we figure out how Tara is going to be heard,
Mm-hmm.
um, anyone in the audience, you can raise your hand and then we can bring them on stage.
Okay, awesome. Raise your hand, guys.
There are a
Anyone who
few
would like to
already, I
come,
think. No, there are about 6.
Yeah,
There,
5. They
there's
are
one.
increasing. Okay, how to invite them now?
so again, is Ashita or someone in the admin? They're helping out. So they could
Answer?
probably just allow someone.
Yes.
Okay, sure.
Hi everyone.
Okay, hi Nandita, how are you?
Hi,
I'm fine.
Nandita.
Hi.
So, we are here to have your feedback. What have you?
Yeah, I just wrote in the discussion panel also. Maybe if you could have a button in the booth, because when we are in the lounge, I had a lot of visitors while I was in the lounge, and they were not there. And sometimes, they came to my booth, but they could see me, but I would not be able. I was not able to see them. So maybe that was a glitch.
No,
But if we can have a
thanks for the
button.
feedback, Nandita. I mean, post event, we will be able to give you like the data of whoever came. But a couple of other artists also pointed this out. So because their point was if I can see it in real time, maybe I can make the most and reach out to that person while the person is there. So that's in the pipeline. Hopefully next time there is a huge long list of feedbacks and what all improvements can be done. Please go ahead.
Yeah, but button could have been a good option, because if you are meeting people in the lounge, or if you are not at the booth, so you can get a notification.
That's noted. That's noted.
That is the
That's
only
going to be
thing.
done. Yes.
Yeah, that's. Otherwise, it was a fantastic event, and if you just said you prepared it in a month's time. So according to that, it was really nice, and I'm really proud to be part of this show.
Thank you so much.
Lovely. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Nandita.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. And there is one senior artist, Usha Shantaramji, who I had the privilege to go to her booth and I spoke to her yesterday. She's saying you did well. Let's have another person on the screen. Ashita, could you help us? Ashita is the lifesaver. She has the chabi of every tala. Okay. Okay, so Sunandini is asking a question, maybe Atul it is for you. Do you think this online platform is here to stay? What do you have to say?
We are certain we are here to stay. We are actually we've hosted over 5 million minutes of streaming in less than 3 months. So we are definitely here to stay, and we are doubling number of events we are hosting every month. So that's a
Awesome.
good thing.
That's
So
vocal for local, vocal
and
for local.
and the good thing is we have clients in 18 countries.
Wow, that's
So,
awesome. That's awesome.
yeah. But yes, I
Ashita,
mean, we are hosting events of all kinds. I mean, from talk shows to music shows to trade shows. Some unique things are happening on, like, things which we did not even think would happen. So that's a good thing. But the platform is getting better every day. There's a lot of improvement. Like, every day it's a new version going out. So anyone who asked the question, So we plan to keep improving, and every event makes us better. Please, Usha ji.
Ushajeet, namaste.
Hi.
Usha.
Hi.
Namaste. You really did well. What? You really did well considering it's the first time. The only problem was for us to get back to our group. So like, we couldn't visit anywhere. So what I had to do is I took another computer, logged on with my husband's account, and I was watching all that was going on. And a simple button to get back, or just a notification if somebody is entering our booth, that will do. That's enough.
Yeah, I think.
We can get back to our booth.
Yeah. So I think the few things that we learned that there is a bell which rings if you're not around, but I think if you leave your booth, there is no bell because we don't know if you're on the platform or not. So okay, but your point is
Yes.
taken. I think we will include that.
Okay, Sanket has a complaint here. Even if anyone from the panel would have visited my booth, I would be satisfied because not a single visitor landed in my booth. Thank you. Sanket, stay there. I am definitely coming to your booth. Koi aaye na aaye, but I am going to come. So stay there. Once this thing is over, I am coming to you. So Sunaina, can you hear us?
Yes, I can.
Okay, Sunaina.
I want to, first of all, thank you for a great platform. I think I love the technology. I love the entire presentation, the way we could represent so many artists, and the entire place wherein we could interact with the people from our field, people which there were a lot of artists which I didn't know, and I could see them here, interact with them, go into their booth, check out their work. So it was great. What I really missed was little more crowd, little more, some more people coming on in my booth and see. It was like maybe the main buyer. The rest for me was perfect. I really liked it, and I look forward to the second season because I know first season there are always goods and bads, but second season I'm hoping will be much better, and I look forward to it. And I am there with you.
For sure, Sunaina.
Well,
Yeah.
I really loved it.
There is a lot of feedback we are having, and definitely will fix the issue. Sunandini S. Balan is here with us, and she has a good internet, so she's going from room to room.
Yeah.
So,
I'm going away from the
So-
TV room.
no. So Sunandini, what do you have to add here? What do you want to say?
Oh, I actually am a first-time exhibitor. I haven't exhibited in the real world, not in the virtual, so it's really my first time. So on the plus, I can say I thoroughly enjoyed interacting with everyone, meeting all the artists, meeting the gallerists. It's been great. It's been great. And feedback, what everybody else has said, I just I have the same things to say. Otherwise, it was really great. Great fun. Lovely 3 days.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
Yeah. And it's a nice platform. Like I asked, is it here to stay, which you answered. Yeah.
So Karishma is saying, Purnima, come to my booth on day one. And then the Aarti saying, please visit my booth too. We should have at least every quarter. They want to have it every quarter. Wow, that's ambitious timeline for us. Thank you for such motivating words. So I guess this is it for the day. After the session is over, I am going to go visit some booths. And Atul, if you get the chance, there are people waiting. Can personally give you feedback. So thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you to all the supporters, exhibitors, artists. You have been so great, and we are going to fix our issues. It's been a nice experience for us, and hope we do it better next time. Stay tuned. Follow our Mojato handles. You can see a lot of stuff there, which is on YouTube and on Instagram for contest also. Just keep liking it, keep giving us feedback. We really want to work on it. So that's it for the night. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Good night.
And Tara said thank you to everyone. Her internet is a little jittery, so she couldn't join. But on her behalf, I just want to say thanks to everyone.
Thank you.
Bye.
Good night.
Good night.